Lemon. Nisan nunods. Oh. Bring here the bread, be. Okay, magdirty ang put here. Lemon don't eat. Finish yung noodles na. Eat the eggs. Eat the eggs, baby. Eat the eggs.
Mine.
So, lemon nandun. Lemon!
Oh, you're so Babajik!
Eat na niya siya.
Lemon bird bread. Bread. Yummy. It's just some small bread. Ooh, 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 ooh. Aww. He's so cute. Oh, but
It's okay. She playing only. Be quickly na Nisa. Dahil kapag laro siya. Si biting tita Nisa. Ate Nisa pit.
no, he's just biting tickle.
She playing?
Yeah, playing my feet.
Lalaro ni Lemon yung paa niya. No, don't remove it.
Wow, good. More. He was playing my fidget.
How cute.
Cute. I just feel cute.
Gusto niya magpaglaro.
Touching.
Nasa mood si Lemon ngayon na.
Touching Lemon.
Gustong gusto niya. Cute sa Lemon. Too much sweet.
Bird, how are you?
Kumakain yung ate niya lagi. Umakyat sa, lumalapit sa pagkain. Binigyan sa hindi niya may kinain. Ganyan yan siya kapag kumakain kami dito, nanggugulo yan siya. Umakyat sa ano mo, sa likod mo, yan. Nagpapansin.
So cute, right?
Marunong yan siya magsalita. Babajik. My father, my daddy. My love, ayun, love niya yan.
touching Lemon feet.
Yes.
Small feet, big feet. Look, the birds, how funny. Bird.
You have sing for Lemon?
Yes.
What's the song?
A nice shiny bird. A nice shiny bird. A nice shiny bird.
Lemon, Ashcom. Good morning, Lemon. How are you today? Huh? Lemon is okay. Hey, come to mommy. Come, Baba Chick. Come to mommy. Kill.
Mommy, it's
Kill.
okay. This is my mommy.
May kita yan siya 1 year old. 1 year old siya around 5 months. Kinuha namin siya 5 months old pala siya. Binili namin. 5 months old pala siya na binili namin.
Lemon bird, she's very big more.
Wala, kakain siya ng bread. You want eating bread?
He love yummy bread.
Finish your noodles, princess. Yung anak ko, noodles ang kinain niya. Ayun ko nito. Nagluto ako ng itlog, ayaw niya.
Aww,
And,
cute. You're so shiny. Whee!
where are you going, yeah? Friend, Lemon?
Lemon, Bobby
Lemon
Chick
bird.
the shiny bird.
Lemon bird! Mamasyal kami guys, sumasama din to.
Okay.
Punta kami sa shop, sama din siya. Pag uwi namin, uwi din siya. Minsan iniiwan. Nagagalit kasi yung ate niya kapag iniiwan niya siya. Kaya lagi niya siya kasama. Lemon! Why are you eating clay?
Birds don't eating clay. Why are you eating clay? This is not healthy.
Lemon! Ayan, yung daddy niya nag-pray pa. Pag hindi siya kinukuha sa kitchen, maingay yan siya. Nagpapakuha. Ang ingay niya kanina.
You know
Alam niya gising na
her
kami.
name?
Iingay yan
Lemon.
siya. Tumatawag na yan siya.
He's so cute.
Lemon! Lemon! Lemon!
Oh, he eating
Nagpapansin niya siya sa
clay.
umaga.
Lemon, don't eating clay. Birds don't eating clay.
Finish your Melis Nisa.
Huh?
Finish your eat the eggs.
No, I don't want more.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Put here. Take it. This one. Put there. Take it, Nisa. This one. This one. This. Lemon. And si Ate Nisa. Ate of Lemon.
I have to make my work.
Ah!
I have to make my work and put the towel in the wet and clean.
On the other one pa. Take it there.
Where?
Yes.
I.
You are beautiful.
Yes.
Show me. Wow. A sad face.
Looks cry. Wow.
But happy face. Like that.
Yes, so fun.
Sweet face. Oh. Angry face. How old are you?
How about mommy? Again, how about heart?
Heart.
This one, like that heart.
Ah.
It's so nice. I love heart.
Ah.
And the hard flying.
How old are you, princess?
I'm
Huh?
my age?
Yes.
12.
No. You are only 5.
12.
Okay. What is your daddy name?
Mimi.
Mama.
Ivy.
Where did you live?
And Manogat, Turkey.
I'm gonna get Turkey. You are Filipina or Turkey?
Pina.
Pina?
Yes.
What name of our vlog? Filipina?
Pina and Turkey's vlog.
Family vlog.
Daddy, what?
What happened to your daddy?
I don't know.
Why you don't know? Love your daddy?
Yes, and I love you too much. I love Lemon Bear too much. I love Daddy too much.
And then?
I love everybody.
What you want to be when you grow up?
12.
12? No. What you want to be when you grow up? Doctor, nurse, lawyer, what?
I want
Teacher?
to be 12 years old.
No.
I want to be 12 years old.
Okay. When you are bigger, you want to be nurse, doctor, what?
Nurse.
A nurse?
Yeah. Nurse is a girl.
Oh. Doctor also.
Doctor
Yes,
is
girl.
a boy.
No, only here in Turkey, all the doctor is boy. In Philippines, too much girl. Alam niya kasi kapag ayaw niya na maging doktor kasi ang doktor daw pang lalaki lang daw, hindi na pwede pang babae. You going kitchen? You bring mo na this one, babe. Lemon! What you want to be, Lemon? When you grow up? Lemon? What you want to be, Nisa, when you grow up?
I want to be a nurse.
Why? Only nurse?
Yeah.
I want to be your doctor.
No, nurse. I love to be nurse.
Why?
Because I want it.
Really?
Hey, why come to me?
Sure, he want to play with you.
Oh, how cute. Look, he's climbing.
Ano si Baba Chico?
Baba G, Daddy.
Baba Chick sa Lemon.
Baba G, cute bird.
Tawag niya sa asawa ko, Baba Chick. Baba Chick!
Lemon love mommy. Look that nurse running. If the people heard it's wakey when it's die.
What?
Die.
Again, what die? When the people what?
Die.
Why?
Because I don't like die everybody. I don't want. It's so loud.
Done? So, why you want to be a nurse when you grow up?
Çirkin. Çirkin.
Chicken? No, I don't want to be a chicken.
Not chicken, çirkin.
Chicken?
You know, yes, what the meaning, the çirkin.
The nurse.
Not nurse, not çirkin, Turkish.
Doctor? What Turkish doctor?
Let's see.
Silken? A doctor?
No, çirkin is ugly.
No, I'm not ugly.
Çirkin. Çirkin çocuk.
Buklu is k.
Çirkin çocuk.
Buklu.
Çirkin çocuk.
Buklu. Buklu, mommy.
Diro, buklo.
Daddy, buklu.
Sige na, bye-bye na.
Goodbye, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, Baba Jig.
No. Please like
Please like
and
and subscribe for radio. Baba Jig.
subscribe my see channel.
channel.
What name of our channel?
Pina and Turkey's blog.
Pilipina.
Pina.
Why Pina? Pilipina.
I don't know the Philippines. Pina. I don't like it.
Why you don't like it? Huh? Huh?
But I don't know. Mommy.
Why you don't like it?
Look, the red
Huh?
balloon. Mommy, open the camera. Right, I bring big yellow balloons here. There. Big balloon. Look my big balloon. It looks like a pierce.
Oh, yes. Like pears. How make this?
Me,
Oh,
I made balloon pierce.
the other one.
This one is a baby
This is almond.
almond. This
What
one
color is a balloon?
is red.
Red.
Yeah,
What is your favorite color?
yellow and red. I love red. Color, nice.
Hmm?
This is the daddy pierce.
Huh?
This is the baby pierce.
Yes.
Where is mommy Pierce?
Not no more.
Mommy pierce, daddy pierce.
Mommy Pierce.
Where? Look the big feet of your baba. The watching feet.
Mommy,
Huh?
my face yellow and my face color white. Yellow face, mommy.
Ang dalawa, nagkabulan na. Kagigising lang namin, guys. Oh, ano na dito? Time now is 12. I think 12.
Pierce,
12 na daw. Wala naman kasi kaming gagawin. Gagawa lang kami ng content mamaya. Lalabas kami. Ewan ko ano content ang gagawin namin.
Pierce.
Si Babay na kay maglinis pa na ako ng bahay. Bye-bye, guys. See you our next vlog.
Look my
Thank you for watching.
yeah. Look boy big